Hello guys, this is Mayank Chawda with Team Micro here. As you know, we are a test system design and developer as per your requirement, and we are totally customized and tailor-made test system fixes design and developer for PCB and final product FCT and ICT systems, functional test system as well as in-circuit test systems. So if you have any requirement, just give us a call. We'll get back to you with best out of the best system because our system is customized as per your requirements, as per your need, and as per your test conditions. So we can provide you the best out of the best solution for each and every PCBA as well as the products. So lots of requirements you are getting from India and out of India. Thank you guys for watching us. And if you have any such kind of requirement, just give us a call. Our engineer and our team will give you the feedback and will give you the best out of the best solution as per your requirements. And we have integrated solution provider in-house like electrical, mechanical, mechatronics, and all these test system engineer who is sitting on a single table and providing you the best out of the best solution. So if you have any pneumatics utility, if you have vacuum utility, if you have LED intensity, LED lights utility, if you need any image processing works, if you just need a mechanical structure, if you just need a Pogo Pin base, if you need integration with the PLC, SCADA and HMI, and if you need the integration of any embedded system, Microbe is a great solution for you. It's a one-stop solution for you. Our team has a dedicated focus on the test system and test conditions. We will provide you that part definitely, and we will get the best out of the best deliverables from Microbe. So today I will going to explain a unique PCBA test fixture. We'll get a lots of new information, in particular this video, how client is approaching Microbe and how we are giving deliverables to the client. I will give you the understanding on that also. So if you have any requirements, as I already said, whenever you are going to give a call, we'll understand your requirements. We'll give you the solution for your requirements. When every conversation is closed, we'll start the manufacturing purpose. So we are based in Baroda, Gujarat, and we are getting orders from Punjab, from from Kerala, from Tamil Nadu, from Chennai, from Bangalore, from inside Gujarat, from Uttar Pradesh. So each and every area we are covering in India. From out of India, we are covering USA, Abu Dhabi, Canada, Australia. So we are giving the test systems and we are exporting test system out of India also, and we are giving the deliverables as per the requirements. So thank you guys for loving us and giving motivation whenever we are getting any order. We are getting lots of video orders from the YouTube also. So yeah, we are having lots of customers who are watching us and who are actually seeing the live works. So we have workshop microbes, we have one manufacturing workshop for mechanical, we have electrical setup where all electrical test conditions are tested. We have conference, we have lots of other spare paras where one can sit and discuss the particular test fixture requirements and give the best out of the best solution. We have just the mail conversation with you and we'll provide you the solution. So we have all in-house system and all in-house developers inside Microbe only, and that's why we can give you the best deliverables. This particular test fixture is manufactured within 5 days, and we are giving the solution within 5 days with the manufacturing also. So this type of facilities Microbe is providing you, and that's why people are loving us and people are giving lots of orders. So one more thing, as I say on all the videos, this type of test fixture and this type of test systems are already standardized in industries right now, and lots of people are using our test system designs. Lots of test systems and FCT systems are already tested for the 50,000 plus cycle time. So our system can easily provide you the proper output for the 50,000 cycles also. So our Pogo Pin base is perfect, our Pogo Pin selection is perfect, our material selection is perfect, our system is perfect, our guideway is perfect, our output devices are perfect, what we are giving inside system is also perfect. So it's a proven system and proven technology which we are providing to you. So yeah, definitely just give us a call, and we'll give you the solution for your PCBA also. So yeah, this is a multi-cavity test fixture. You can see a 10 cavity of the PCBA. So one can just put 10 PCB on a single time. So this test fixture has two purpose. That's one is flashing purpose. Need to program the 10 PCBA at a single time. Then this test fixture is going to utilize. Also, you can see a multimeter output for voltages. So particular on test points, we are providing a voltmeters. So one can just see here 3.3 volt is coming. Then this particular PCB is as per the requirement. And this switch is for the power on purpose as a UT switch. And one can just switch on and give the outputs, so see the outputs on the test fixture. Let me show you the inside of the test fixture also. Also, one more thing, we have provided one stopwatch. So there is some criteria within when we switch on the power, within 10 to 12 seconds it should change the LED color. So one can just use this for stopwatch and check that particular time period for the LED changing also. Let's see inside the test fixture, so we will get an idea that inside electronics what type of microbe is providing. Yeah, you can see the workmanship is standard as per industries, and we are providing very clear solution and very clear pathway also. So there won't be any type of classes or current classing or anything inside the fixture. So this test fixture is also different because we have provided a slant where a customer has a requirement that there is a 10 meters. So we just provided this slant type of fixture the user can easily see. In another test fixture we are providing a box type fixture where there is no need of any vision, or there is no need of any multimeters, or they need a very basic type of test fixture, then we can provide the particular test fixture. So yeah, here one will put a 10 PCBA at a time and just press this. All the Pogo pins, you can see a Pogo pin base which is connected. Here are the Pogo pins which is connected to particular power supply zone, and it will provide you the power to the particular PCBA. So 10 power supply with the 3.3 volt, and it will directly switch on all the PCBA and give you the output voltage. There's no need of any connectors. If you want to see a Pogo pin base, here is a Pogo pins. You can see a Pogo pin traveling. So in a particular test fixture, there are lots of type of dimensional dynamics, because the PCBA thickness, component thickness, particular guide plate thickness. This is a guide plate where your user can easily put the PCBA. Pressing needs need to press perfectly, due to which the Pogo pin will only press 60 to 70% of its movement. So this is lots of techniques and basics which are required when you're designing a test fixture. If Pogo pins are totally pressed, then life cycle of the Pogo pin will not be as per the requirement. So we are taking care of this type of technicalities when we design the test fixture. So if you have any requirement, will microbe is the best solution, one-stop solution for you. You just give us a call. Our team will approach you. I personally will also approach you if required, and give you the solution for your PCBA or any final product testing purpose. Thank you guys for watching us. Please like and subscribe our channel. We are getting lots of motivation when someone is liking or subscribing our channel. So please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos for the test system and other FCT devices. We are giving you a chain of lots of particular test fixture and different type of test fixtures also. Thank you guys for watching us. Please keep in touch.